Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image long time ago when I was in art school. This location is real close by to my school, and I asked my classmate. She's one of my classmates. Well, I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop using filter called Find Edges. And I'm going to try to make something, illustration type image. I don't know. Let's get started. What is going to happen? Well, now I'm going to duplicate this base image and turn this pencil drawing type image, change my blend mode. Now it's normal to like linear burn, color burn. Well, let's see, darken so we can see through underneath of the base image. So then maybe tone down 70%. That's easy to see. And I'm going to turn this base image off for keep it just in case. Well, and I'm going to work on this. I usually do the smudging base image and add this pencil drawing type image to get something different. But today, I kind of like this pencil drawing type image. Nice illustration, isn't it? Instead of these grains because of the 35 film. Well, but this is nice illustration type. This is a full frame shot, so I cut it here, but I like it this way. Well, let's start from background. Easy, simple background. Okay, I'm gonna add layer here over the base image. Then I'm gonna, paint. So, let's see. Just freehand. Just fill in the color. Now I'm going to change this is kind of interesting. Let's see what I can do. Okay, let me try. No, it's bring back to normal. Then I have this base image, another one. Bring this one, go all the way top. Then turn it on. Change the opacity about 60. Then let's see. I'm gonna turn this base image off. Then this normal base image. Change the blend mode to let me turn this base image on. Now I think I like this. Maximum density, opacity, normal image is base 1. Then over that, about opacity 50. Change the blend mode to add to make this lighten up the base image around here. Then I add the color on this layer 4, just darken. So I'm going to change this go back to opacity max, then clear this layer. Then I may well just painting to like a watercolor brush to use same blue color. Let's see, now just like that. Now just want to see the color. Now it's a darken. I'm going to change to, well, darken's fine. Now just tone down about 50. Then now I'm going to pick some yellow green using the same watercolor brush. Just adding here. And here. And maybe a little bit brown. Well, let me see, move this. Kind of interesting. Well, I'm gonna add another layer here. This is, just leave it this. Then I'm gonna add layer. Then I'm gonna use this layer only for sky. So I'm gonna clear this now. Then I'm gonna add again only the sky blue. I'm gonna move this one up so we see this one goes to maybe a little light to add some blue sky. Then I'm gonna add layer 5. This is for wall, so I'm gonna change the color, maybe pink. Well, the reason why I changed, add layer and paint a different layer, because I want to change these colors, like hue saturation to more control each colors. It shows so much different, huh? We'll just leave it here now. Then let's see the others. This layer is just doing the lighten up. Well, I just want to erase this. Just about around the palm tree. Okay, about this palm tree, I'm gonna add color, so I'm gonna add layer for this tree. Now, same way. Well, change the brush to airbrushing, medium blend. Let me change the blend mode to color. Shows some. Okay, now this is what just palm tree, and now what am I gonna do? Well, about this layer, I don't like this color to be more cleaner, so let's see. I'm gonna add layer, then well, just rectangle to select first. Now add freehand. Then feather. Well, touch. Okay, Now color fill. Just I'm gonna erase, airbrushing, soft brush. About this much. Real settle. Then tone down. And goes lighten up, so base image is gonna go light. Okay, I'm gonna move this just over this base image. These colors are just leave. So just change to darken. This is too much. Yeah, I'm gonna lighten up only for this area, so I'm gonna make mask on this. Invert mask. Now reveal, soft brush. Only this much. Just to lighten up model and the bicycle. Okay. Now I'm gonna clean up some. This is alright. I may want to change to the color. Then I'm gonna change this layer. Go a little darker. Then I'm gonna work on this layer. Just adjustment, hue saturation. Change the color to a little more yellowish. Saturation. Then lighten up. I'm gonna make it a little more settle, but more saturation. Touch lighten up. So clean up the yellow. I'm gonna tone down. Okay, just leave it. Then I'm gonna work on. Now this is the sky. Let's see a little more cleaner sky. Okay, from here. I just didn't realize that. Stop recording. Now I can explain to you guys about this image now. So far I think recording was stopped. Well, okay, about this now so far. I have this pencil drawing type image for darken 60% now. This is it. You see this image on here. Dark lines, and especially this bicycle too. Dark lines. It shows more image. Okay, now next. Okay, this is color. Blend mode is color. It's just palm tree. Just that you can look at it. Add some brownish, reddish brown color on palm tree, and greens, more saturated green. Now then next one is this, and sky is, I just leave the brush texture, that's okay, but I add this line, wall, top of the wall. I add orange color. It's light in blend mode. Normal. This is orange. I made a mask. Well, not mask. I made that rectangle to select the place. Then add orange color. Then I change the blend mode to lighten. Lighting max. Goes a little bit, well, pinkish, light magenta. So I decide to get this one. The other colors are going like vivid color goes yellower, pin light, hard mix goes more saturated yellow, but I still like this orange bar to be this lighten. This is soft, real gentle color, so not these dark, strong, too much. And the color is orange. It's just like a palm trees. So I decide to lighten, which is pinkish, nice, pastel blue, magenta, and yellow. Now then I change this yellow, change the blend mode overlay to make it a little bit more saturation, yellow color. Okay, now this layer mask I made last, well, just mask on wall, and this is the base image. Just add opacity 45% to lighten up base image. This is this base image lighten up. If I don't have this normal image is 100% normal. This base image is a little bit kind of muddy color look, so I add same base image, duplicate, then change the blend mode to add, then turn opacity 45%. Now like that. This is no image, then go up to, this is the max. This is too much, so go down to about, well, 50, 45. That's what I like about this. Well, that's about it so far. Then this is kind of already illustration image, which I like. So now I don't need to, well, maybe I'm gonna make some kind of postcard or something. Then I may just canvas size, change, resize canvas, just attach outside, get white border about this much. Well, got it. Okay, well, just painting background this time, pretty simple work, but I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea to make something creative work for you guys, and I really appreciate for you guys' support, and thank you for watching my movie, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao. Okay, light color to my friend. Right.